Good day everyone. Today we are diving into a simple yet powerful Python program designed to manage restaurant orders efficiently. Whether you are a developer, tech enthusiast, or someone who's just curious about how technology simplifies everyday tasks, this video will give you an insightful look into how such a system works. So let me just give you a brief overview of what this program does. We have built a restaurant order management system that allows user to interactively view a menu, place orders, and calculate the total cost, including taxes. This program is designed with user experience in mind, making it easy to add or update orders and view the current order status at any time. So we will just move on to the step one, what our program does. It's viewing the menu. The first thing our program does is ask the user if they did like to view the menu. So the menu is displayed with items and their respective prices. Let me just type over here yes. Yes. Now the menu appears with their items and their respective prices, and then it asks me on the in the second step that do I want to add an order, view the order, or calculate total. So I'll just type one. Yes. Now it asks me to choose my favorite item. I'll just type burger. Then it asks me the quantity, so I'll type two burgers. So then it again asks me that whether I want to add an order, view an order, and calculate the total. So again, I'll type one, and then I'll type pizza. Then I'll type three pizzas. Then again, it asks me that to whether what I want to add an order, view the order, or calculate the total. So again, I'll just type press one, and I'll type burger. Then again, I'll type two. So the reason why I typed burger two times is that because I want to show that our program is smart enough to check if the item exists in the menu and update the order. So if the item isn't found, it prompts the user to choose a valid option. Now I'll just type an option which is not present in our menu. Let me just show you my menu again. We are having burger, pizza, pasta, fries, shawarma, and biryani, and soft drinks. So I'll just type I'll type plow, which is not present in our menu. So it shows me that please that my choice is invalid, and it asks me to make my choice again. So I'll now type shawarma. I'll type shawarma, and now I'll type three shawarmas. So now it again asks me that whether I want to add an order, view order, calculate total, or do I want to exit. So now I want to view my order. So I'll just press two. So it shows me my order, which is four burgers, three pizza, and three shawarma. So now I want to add a biryani in my order. So I'll add biryani, and then I'll type just I want two biryani. So now it again asks me that what do I want to do. So now I want to calculate my total. uh, Now I press 3, and it showed me my total, which is almost $93, my total. And it also shows me my tax, which is almost 13.97, and it also shows me my grand total, which is almost 107.0.8. Now if I want to exit from this program, so I'll just type 0. See, the program calculates the total cost, including a 15% tax. It then displays a detailed breakdown showing the subtotal, tax, and grand total. This step ensures transparency and helps customers understand exactly what they are paying for. So, to sum it up, the restaurant order management system is a straightforward yet effective solution for handling orders in a restaurant setting. It not only simplifies the process for customers but only ensures accuracy in billing. Whether you are looking to develop something similar or just interested in how these systems works, we hope this has been a powerful and enlightening show, guys. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tech innovations from Inmo Irfan Technologies. Thank you.